Okay, kids, here we're going to show you how Dean Winchester drinks his coffee, Canadian style. See that maple leaf? Hortons. And look at that. Instant. Look at this here. Walmart organic maple syrup. Hang on. Okay. And here we go. We'll just take oh yeah, there we go. That'll work nicely. And got the old water heated up. And there we go. Take your old spoon. Give her a few. There you go. And don't forget to put the cap back on your maple syrup. You wouldn't be a Canadian if you didn't do that. Anyway, there you go.